Hi there, and welcome to the installation video for Hunchly 2 on Linux. Hunchly 2 supports all Debian flavors of Linux, so that means Debian, Ubuntu, Mint, and a whole bunch of others that are based on Debian. Also the Buscador OSINT VMware image will also work with Hunchly. There's a couple of little things you have to do in order to get it installed. You can see we've got Hunchly downloaded. I've got the Debian file here on my desktop. I've also got the license key, and I also have Chrome installed. Make sure Chrome's installed but not running. All right. So what we're going to do is actually jump into our terminal here, and we will change into our directory. As you can see, we're already in the desktop where the Debian file is, and we have to run a command sudo dpackage -i hunchly.deb. So this is just saying install the Hunchly package. You're going to have to enter your administrative password. It's going to install Hunchly and copy in all the files and all of the pieces for Chrome to be able to pick up that Hunchly is installed. And it just takes a moment. Perfect. So now that it's all finished, we just have one more step that we need to do. If we open up our file browser, go into Documents, we'll see a Hunchly data folder. It's empty currently. Copy in your Hunchly license key file. This is where Hunchly looks for it by default. So now that we've done that, we can close this out and we can fire up Chrome. And we should see Hunchly running. There he is. You can turn on Capture to begin browsing and capturing evidence. And to view the dashboard, just click the dashboard button. This will kick open the dashboard. As you can see, it's loading now. And we have our dashboard up and running, and we're ready to go and start collecting data. If you run into any problems while doing this installation, please don't hesitate to reach out, support@hunch.ly.